The trends toward electrification and automation in the mobility market are greatly increasing demand for electronic components. Thermistors from Murata Manufacturing provide highly accurate temperature sensing and help make it possible to produce equipment that provides higher efficiency, higher output, and improved stability. For example, in the powertrain of an XE buoy, accurate temperature sensing makes possible smaller design margins and enables maximizing of product performance. It also is useful in increasing the cruising range. Murata thermistors are used in inverters, DC-DC converters, OBCs, and electric compressors to detect overheating of power semiconductors and boards and to sense the temperature of cooling systems. Block diagrams are available on My Murata, our portal website exclusively for Murata customers. Please register on My Murata and make use of them. In an ADAS, thermistors can be used in the front camera for overheating detection and temperature sensing of the image sensor or MCU. They can be used in the radar and LiDAR units for frequency adjustment or overheating detection of laser diodes. In the ECU of the ADAS, they can help in detection of overheating of the SOC or boards overall. In the battery system, thermistors can be used to monitor cell deterioration or the charging temperature range, and to detect overheating of the MCUs or voltage monitoring ICs on control boards. Highly accurate detection of overheating and temperature monitoring help extend battery service life and reduce fuel consumption. What's more, thermistors can be used to help boost the safety of the charging system by detecting overheating of the power semiconductors or control circuits of the power supply port and power supply block. In the TCU and IVI, thermistors are used for detecting overheating of auxiliary batteries or the MCUs in the control circuits, as well as for temperature monitoring, helping to enhance safety. In addition, in communication modules used for V2X, thermistors perform temperature monitoring, helping to prevent damage to the equipment. In the EPS system, thermistors can be used to detect overheating of the power semiconductors used to drive the system and for temperature correction of various sensors. In the vehicle lighting system, thermistors can be used to detect overheating of LEDs or control circuits. Thermistors with highly accurate temperature sensing contribute to products with longer service life and improved safety. Murata thermistors are helping to make self-driving vehicles a reality by maximizing equipment performance, extending service life, and improving safety. In areas outside the mobility market as well, Murata thermistors are widely used, both in familiar products such as smartphones and thermometers, as well as in fields essential to society, such as medical equipment, servers, communication equipment, and industrial equipment.